How to construct the rain alert, alarm circuit. Construction of rain alert alarm indicator. Connect the collector terminal of the BC547 transistor to the negative terminal of the buzzer using a jumper wire. Connect the base middle pin of the transistor to one end of a 330 ohm resistor. Connect the other end of the 330 ohm resistor to one terminal of rain sensor and one end of a 10K ohm resistor. Connect the other end of the 10 kilo ohm resistor to the negative ground terminal of the battery. Connect the emitter terminal of the transistor to the negative ground terminal of the battery. Connect the positive long terminal of the buzzer to the positive terminal of the battery. Connect second terminal of rain sensor to the positive terminal of the battery. How to make rain alert, alarm indicator. For full video, click on link or visit to our channel at Book of Technical. Welcome to Book of Technical. This video present by Inno91 Green Technologies. All video available in Hindi, Marathi and English. Subscribe and get new video. Thank you and visit Book of Technical channel again.